When I was filming on the iPhone 13, I heard echoes occurred from the laptop, echoes of tomorrow, echoes of the new iPhone 17 Max Pro. Seeing the new design with a better camera, showcasing cinematic looks. But is it true? Can I shoot cinematic masterpieces on the latest iPhone? After seeing the new iPhone, my current iPhone started feeling like a flip phone from 2009. Now that I got the iPhone 17, let's shoot a cinematic film. Everyone thinks cinematic filmmaking requires expensive cameras, big rigs, heavy lenses, thousands of dollars. But what if that wasn't true anymore? What if you already have a camera that can showcase a cinematic story, creating a whole new world? What if that powerful camera was already in your pocket? So let's start. I'm going to shoot a short film with the iPhone 17 camera. As I edit the storyboard for the short film, some of the questions you want to see is whether the iPhone's camera can truly compete with a cinema camera, and is the iPhone truly cinematic? After finishing the storyboard, I created a concept for the short film. It's going to be a micro short film about me finding a mysterious package. Just finished shooting it, and this is what the story looks like on the iPhone 17. And that is a short film shot on the iPhone 17. Did it deliver a cinematic look? Yes. Shooting in ProRes Log gives me the flexibility to color grade the footage and achieve a cinematic look. It's also important to remember that camera angles and lighting are what truly helps create a cinematic look, and those principles apply to any camera. The iPhone is no exception. Shooting in Log using ProRes simply gives me more control over the colors, allowing me to color grade the footage so it stands out. Now, is it better than a cinema camera? No. A cinema camera like the Sony FX3 performs much better in low light and gives me far more control over my shots without worrying about the noise in the background. I can also use different lenses, which adds a lot more creative flexibility. But where the iPhone really shines is convenience. It's a camera I can carry anywhere and pull out at any moment. When I was on vacation, I was able to shoot in ProRes with Log and capture some really nice looking shots without needing to carry a larger camera with me everywhere. Having that option on the phone still gives me the flexibility to color grade the footage later and push it towards a more cinematic look. That said, the iPhone is still a great option if you're starting out in video or just want a capable camera that fits in your pocket.